Good morning, crawlers. Welcome back to the channel. It is another beautiful sunny day in Utah. After growing up in Canada, I sure love living here in Utah because the weather is fantastic 90% of the time. Today I wanted to bring you guys along on a little bit of a different adventure. So I have made a new purchase that I'm really excited about. Maybe some of you out there will be excited about it as well. So this new purchase is gonna let me go on trails that I have never gone on before. It'll let me go on trails that no other Jeep has gone on before. Can you guess what it is? All right, let's go around back here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's a new bike carrier. No, that's not really what I was gonna show you. So yes, I did buy a new bike rack. That's not really what I was making this video to show you guys. This is my 2004, I think it is, Rocky Mountain ETSX 70. And this thing it was my dream mountain bike from the time I was a kid. I saw it in magazines and stuff like that, and I always envisioned just how awesome it was to ride it. So anyways, I think I've been riding it for like 14 years now. I bought it probably, gosh, when it was 3 years old, something around that line. But I've been riding it for a long time. It's been a great bike. It's more of a, cross-country style bike. It's got about 4.5 inches of travel front and back. It's just so outdated. It's almost 20 years old now. Things on mountain bikes have changed so much from when this came out. Shortly after this bike came out, they started going to bigger wheel sizes. They went to different gear ratios. They went to a whole different geometry setup. You can notice this one here is a lot more like forward sitting. You sit a lot more like upright or on top of the bike, which isn't bad, but it's just a different style or a different thought on how you want to attack the trails on your mountain bike. So I think it is time to retire the old workhorse and go with something new. This is a 2021 Specialized Stumpjumper. I bought it about a month ago, and I've actually been out riding it quite a bit, and I really enjoy riding it. So it is still pretty new. I'm still trying to keep it clean and scratch free and all that. But it's a completely different bike from the one I have been riding. It's got 29-inch tires, which make it roll over those obstacles a lot better. About 6 inches of travel front and back. I think it's like 4 or 5.5 in the back and 6 in the front, something like that. It has a dropper post. The handlebars are much wider and like shorter stance, wider and like narrower to the shorter reach, I guess is what it's called. The whole geometry of the frame is completely different. You can see how this is a lot more like slack or like lean back, and yet it still climbs really good. Completely different from my other bike is this is a 1/12 gear ratio, where the other bike is a 3/9. So it's a completely different like range of gears. This just makes it quite a bit easier to pedal, honestly, because you only have one set of gears to worry about. Been a little bit of an adjustment for me because I'm used to the old system, but I'm starting to get the hang of it. So I'm super excited about this, and I hope to be making a few mountain bike videos to go with it. In fact, we're gonna go ride it today, and I'll try and take you guys along and just kind of share the experience with you. So, okay, we made it to the trailhead, and got the bikes unloaded, and we're gonna go give this a whirl. He's ready and itching to go over there. Pretty cool bike, dude. Holy. How fast is he? All right, so this is called the Valley Vista Trail System. It's only like 10 minutes from our house, so it's a great place to come, especially on an evening, and ride around, get a little exercise, have some fun while we're at it. Ah, the sun's in my eyes. All right, down we go. All right. The bike's barely even getting dirty out here. You can see how much travel we've used, not much, on this easy trail for the kid. All right, let's go. Let's see where he's at. Aha! I would love to hear what you think. So share your comments down below. Like I told you before, the Jeep's not going anywhere. We're still gonna be doing lots of Jeep adventures, but we're gonna throw this into the mix and go have some fun on some new trails and learn a whole new skill set. All right guys, I guess that's about it. It's past this kid's bedtime. My battery's about dead. The sun is setting. It's bedtime. Okay, we'll see you guys on the trail next time.